Now we have question number 9 of October number 2025. So partial fractions, we can do the long division. First of all, x plus 2 denominator, let's get it right. This would turn out to be x squared plus 5ax plus 6a squared. Now we can do the long division. So the denominator is now x squared plus 5ax plus 6a squared, and the denominator is 6a squared. So just divide it by 180 plus that would be the most convenient part. 4ax plus 6a, and that was square. So you will just get positive negative. So negative ax cancel everything. So we would have ax is left with x plus 2a times x plus 3a, and we would have a plus b or b, x plus 3a, and the value for ax would be just be a 3 plus a, b would be x plus 2a. So instead x is minus 2a, we would get minus 2a. The value for a would be just minus 2a plus 3a. So this would turn out to be minus a squared, a of a. So we just get a of minus 2a. In the similar way, we'll have x is negative 3a. Instead of this, you'll get 3a, and the value for b will be this. In this particular case, a squared and b minus a. So a and a cancels out. This will just give us b is equal to 3 of a. And so these are the values. So we'll just write down the partial fraction, the function f of x 1, because 1 was the answer, and these are the values for partial fraction. We have, instead of a, we have, negative 2a. So let's write let's write b first. Let's start with that. B is 3 over x plus 3a. Since we have that number negative, so that would be great. 2a, so plus b plus a, x plus 2a. That can be the solution, yes. Okay. Now, for that we have integral of this. So if we are going to integrate the partial fraction 1 minus 3a in plus 3x, and the limits are minus a and a. So linear denominators are, we'll just write x, and the same numerator with the thing, you have ln of x plus 3a. Same goes for the second one, plus 2a ln of this. This becomes easier, and the limits were minus a and a. So a minus 3a ln of, instead of x we have a, 2a ln, and instead of x we have a. So this was all the positive values with the negative. Now we have, let me just write it in black, minus a, 3al, instead of a negative plus 3a. Answer is out. Okay. 3a, and you would have this 2a ln negative a plus 2a, and this would be out. So if we're going to solve this, this would come out to be a minus 3a ln 4a, and this would be 2a ln 3a, negative, the other values will be just negative a, 3a ln would be left with 2a plus 2a of ln just a. So we can open the brackets now. We can remove the whole brackets. And directly align this a, minus minus this becomes a, so I'm just skipping one step. So ln just 4 minus 3a ln a plus 2 ln 3 plus a plus 3a ln 2, and the last is plus 3 a ln a. So you would have cancelling process. This negative and negative would cancel out. So this would turn out to be this can be resolved by simple solution, and the final answer would be 2a6 a of ln2 plus 2a of ln3 plus 3 ln squared, and common of this would be this 2 ln 3 plus 3 ln of 2. So and rest can be simplified combining it. So that's it.